Unlocking the potential of Clitoria ternatia Lin. For neuropharmacology. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Alzheimer's disease, AD, is an age-related neurodegenerative disorder characterized by the irreversible loss of cognitive function, memory, and language impairment, and behavioral disturbances, which gradually become more severe. Medicinal plants are the backbone of modern medicines, and there is growing interest in discovering nootropic plants to combat cognitive dysfunction due to their less harmful effects. Clitoria ternatia Lin. CT is also known as Aparajita butterfly pea, a traditional Ayurvedic herb that has been used for centuries as a memory enhancer, anti-stress, anxiolytic, antidepressant, anticonvulsant, and anti-ulcer agent. These properties of CT raise the possibility of using it as a cholinesterase inhibitor in treating neurological disease symptoms. This review article focused not only on available information about the neuropharmacological use of this plant, but also its bioactive compounds, metabolites, and associated effects. It reviewed the existing knowledge to reveal the promising linkage of traditional medicine CT to halt Alzheimer's disease pathogenesis. Introduction. Alzheimer's disease is a slowly progressing brain disorder that leads to memory loss and confusion, mostly affecting older adults. In India, around 10% of people aged 65 and above suffer from dementia, a key symptom of Alzheimer's. The disease can be genetic, familial, or occur later in life due to aging and other health issues, sporadic. Although medications like donepezil and memantine can slow its progress, there is currently no cure. Clitoria ternatia Lin, also known as butterfly pea or Aparajita in India, is a traditional herb with powerful brain-boosting properties. Used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine, this plant is rich in natural compounds that support memory, reduce stress, and help with various neurological problems. Different parts of the plant, roots, seeds, leaves, flowers, and stems, are used to treat a range of conditions, from pain and inflammation to diabetes and infections. The root is especially known for enhancing brain chemicals that improve memory. The herb also helps with conditions like arthritis, liver issues, and even scorpion or snake bites. Because of its wide range of benefits and potential to improve brain health, Clitoria ternatia is now being explored as a natural option for managing Alzheimer's and supporting mental wellness. Conclusion. This review highlights Clitoria ternatia Lin, also known as butterfly pea, as a powerful natural herb with great potential to support brain health. Traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine, recent research shows that it may help treat brain-related conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and stress disorders. The plant contains beneficial compounds that act as antioxidants and protect brain cells from damage. One of its key effects is boosting acetylcholine levels, a brain chemical important for memory, which can help slow down memory loss in diseases like Alzheimer's. It also reduces brain inflammation, another cause of mental decline. Animal studies have shown that butterfly pea can improve memory and learning ability. Overall, this plant offers hope as a natural remedy to protect the brain, improve memory, and manage neurodegenerative conditions. It may one day be used in medicines designed to support mental clarity and fight the effects of aging on the brain. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.